Before starting this video, I request you to press the red subscribe button, press the bell icon under the options menu, select all so that you won't miss any notifications from my channel. Welcome to Raj Creations. In this video, I am going to show you this beautiful sleeve design decorated with beads. Let's have a look. You can make this design when you are short of fabric, as I was left with the straight strips, so I am designing this by joining two strips with this. For this you need two strips in the center line of sleeve. We will make this design. If you are using lining, you have to place the lining, or if you are using with plain fabric, you have to use the fabric strip approx of 1 inch. Now with the help of this strip, we will fold this, and again after folding, make a stitch line over this. This way we have to make a single strip for joining these two pieces of cloth. As you can see, I will cut these strips of 1.5 inches each. My sleeve length is 18 inches. And after the distance of 1 inch, we will attach these small strips. As you can see, in this manner, we have to place the strips on the right side of fabric and then again lining fabric over it and make a stitch line. As you can see, I have marked at 1 inch of distance. Here I am placing strips in the center and stitching like this. This will make half part of the sleeve. The front side of the fabric should be inside. Both right sides of fabric should be inside, whether you are using lining or strip of fabric. This way we have to attach all the strips. After stitching all the strips, we will turn this, and from front side this will look like this. Now we have to take a chart paper or a plain paper. You can also use newspaper. It's 18 inches of long, and I have drawn two lines with the distance of points. The distance between these lines is 0.275 inches. Now we will place the prepared sleeve part on the first line and then make a stitch line over it. This way we have to stitch this with the chart paper. You can also use any thick paper or double newspaper also can solve this purpose. After joining these two parts, we will draft the sleeve pattern. Cutting of sleeve will be done after doing this, preparing this. Now on the other side, first we will place the lining and attach the strips on the second line. As you can see, this lining part is a finished one, so we don't have to fold it. While stitching the strips, we have to slightly up the pressure foot, and then after adjusting the strip, we have to stitches. Lift the pressure foot up, and then after adjusting strip, press it down and again stitch. For the proper placing of strips, this is necessary. Slightly lift the pressure foot, and then after adjusting the strip, sew it. This way, first we will have to attach the lining on paper. This will adjust the strips. For maintaining equal distance between two fabric parts, this step is necessary. This way we have to stitch till the end. Now after stitching, take the next part of fabric. You can stitch it by placing it, slightly folding from the corner and then placing it properly. We have to stitch, make a stitch line over it so that the raw edges will be in the center of the lining and front part of sleeve. Slightly fold the fabric and then do the stitch line. Now, as we were short of fabric, sufficient fabric for a full sleeve is prepared and designing is try to make the stitch line on the line which we have drawn earlier. Now joining of the fabric part is completed. Now we will attach sleeves in between these strips to do the designing. Here I am using tiny golden beads. You can also take big one. Secure one edge with the thread, and now as per your requirement 5 to 6 beads at a time you have to insert it, measure the distance, and then take 1 or 2 extra if required. And then on the other edge we have to stitch it. From where we have end the stitching, the next step of beads stitching will be start from there. Don't cross the thread from one side to another, because we have to remove this chart paper after completing. Now as you can see where I have ended, I am starting the next from there, so that the thread is not visible beneath side. I have taken here double thread. These beads are easily available in market in a garland form. You can easily stitch them. As per your requirement, 3 to 4 lines of beads be required within a 1 inch of gap. This way we have to complete both sleeves, and after completing this, do the normal sleeve drafting. On the lower side of the sleeve, we will attach a border, tiny border of fabric. Here we will make the sleeve shape. After completing, the whole sleeve will look like this. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.